Job, the first question that I have for you today is, you've been working in this industry for such a long time now. What kind of challenges is the industry going through these days?
2 years ago at MWC, the question was, can Open RAN do it? Last year it was about, can it scale? And now we've got to, how quickly can you deploy it, right? So it's been quite a huge transition for ORAN.
You guys have done really well when it comes to the radio business. How have you overcome these challenges that ORAN has been through?
One of the key things ORAN had to do was match some of the incumbent performance. So one of the things we've been doing is, especially last year with our new generation platform, we've been using a combination of merchant silicon, very high efficient car amplifiers, and we've been building a very, very size, weight, and energy efficient radio platform. So I think that's key. And when you scale that to a level where you can build it at a very high volume, you can actually get the cost down as well.
With the radio manufacturing, what new technologies or innovations you have brought that has helped you to drive the performance, reduce the costs, and ultimately provide the benefit to the customers?
We talked about energy efficiency. We're now adding 3 tiers of energy saving features, which are all ORAN compliant. So in idle mode, during dynamic traffic control, as well as an economy mode where you don't need the capacity, we scale the power. Now, in addition to this, what we're looking at ahead is putting some AI diagnostic features in the radio that helps the operator to intelligently determine what's going wrong with the radio. So for example, if you have a kink in the radio, in the cable that connects to the radio, or if you have water ingress in the radio, we're able to detect that from fingerprinting, doing some RF fingerprinting. The other thing we're also trying to integrate now is ISAC into the radio itself. So there's some intelligence in the radio, AI-powered intelligence to scan the RF spectrum and look for certain signatures and detect interference, detect drones, detect objects. So those are the kind of things that we're actually introducing into the radio now going ahead.
So what's next for Airspan?
Well, I think next is really, I talked about ISAC. This is more aligned with 6G. So we're already on our path to 6G, and it's about how do we make all this AI native, do more inferencing on the radio itself. You talked about RF sensing is one area, intelligent energy management, another area, doing some AI-based performance within the radio itself. So these are some of the more path to 6G that we're taking on the radio flash.
Well, very, very good to hear that. Thank you very much for joining us, Job, and wish you best of luck at Airspan and Airspan itself.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.